So today, I had initially planned to do 27 miles, and when I got to 16 miles, that's when I'm riding, and you want to know what's funny? Like, I'm riding really into it and all that, and I get to where my turn was, and I'm like, okay, maybe this is the road. Okay, like, let me keep going. And then I look at my bike computer and I look down and I'm like, why is my speed dropping? Like, hold on. Why is it getting so hard to pedal? And then I look down at my tires and then I notice, you got a flat. So I was like, I don't have a tire repair kit. I got to get an Uber XL back home. And that's what I had to do. Turned out delicious. It's definitely a recipe I'd make again. All right, let me go ahead and clean this kitchen up, and then I gotta run out in this rain to handle something really quick. All right, so I am back in. Thankfully, the rain wasn't too bad. Gonna go ahead and end the vlog there. It was just a simple day in the life. If you follow me on Instagram, all the other social media links are in the description, and keep up to date with me, and therefore you would know what's up with me and what's going on. Make sure you hit that subscribe button too. So just going to edit some videos, create some more content, and do a little streaming later on TikTok as well. Well, I am officially back in from doing what I needed to do, and it's pouring rain here. Thankfully, I got waterproof pants and jacket, so I was able to stay pretty dry. Right now, I'm just having the delicious Thai peanut butter chicken that I made. And I hope that you enjoyed this video. I appreciate all the support, all of you who have subscribed, who check me on other social media platforms. I really appreciate it, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a good one.